From the last analysis, we wanted the bear market to end. Well, guess what? This week, the losing streak finally ends for Bitcoin. Let's talk about it. And as well, let's have a look at the altcoins. How you doing, crypto traders? It is me again, John, your host here on the channel. And we're going to be switching it up soon here actually with the videos. And it's good timing because something good or something big has actually happened for Bitcoin. I think right now is a perfect time to talk about it. Let's waste no more time. Let's get into it right away. Now, like I always say, if you are interested in much more videos that we have here on the channel, make sure you are subscribed, and as well my Twitter. Follow me at Real John Doe. Now, the first thing here, looking at some crypto and Bitcoin news, it's been reported that social media has been blamed for about $1 billion in crypto scam losses in 2021. That is huge. That is a lot of money, and it's even getting even higher predicted here for 2022. But if you want to cover your ass, like I said, follow the channel. We do post a lot of risk management and things that prevent you from getting scammed in crypto. Now, talking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price finally had its first green weekly candle since March. And that happened here where Bitcoin closed above 29,700, which is the main point of this video. So I can explain to you what I'm expecting to happen next for Bitcoin. Now, over 200,000 Bitcoin are now stored in Bitcoin ETFs and other institutional products. This is really big right here. Like I said before, despite the price dropping, adoption continues to grow for Bitcoin. And that means the long-term outlook still is really good. Now, 3 indicators traders look at in terms of altcoins and alt season. Well, if you look here, Ethereum trading against Bitcoin is following a similar pattern to another alt season that we had in 2016, 2017. As you can see here, it's kind of like a cup and handle, but a little bit smaller. And this projection here is saying that at the end of 2022, we will have some type of alt season happen. And Ethereum is one to look at because Ethereum is that first alt that does take quite a bit of the market dominance. And speaking of market dominance, let's look at what's happening with Bitcoins right now. It's at 46.4%. So it is on the rise, and that's good to see. It shows that things are in Bitcoin season. And I mentioned this in the last video that we will see Bitcoin dominance continue to rise until it hits a major resistance, which it looks like it is just about to hit now, here up towards 47%. Right now, we're currently at 46. So Bitcoin dominance is about to reach its resistance. If it does break out, then alts will continue to drop a bit. But if we do get a rejection here on Bitcoin dominance, then we could get a little bit of altcoins taking another run. Now here on Currency.com, the current trader sentiment for Bitcoin on leverage, 77% buyers and 23% sellers, with price having a nice breakout. Now I know we broke that losing streak for Bitcoin that we had where price just kept falling for weeks and weeks, but don't get too excited because Bitcoin right now is still in bear market territory. And unless we break past this level up here towards $40,000, where you see these 2 moving averages and get into this range, we still are in bear market territory, and this could just be a bear market rally. If that's the case, then you got to look for some type of rejection at this resistance up towards $40,000. The next resistance would be up here, closer towards 50, and then we have right towards 55. But towards the downside, the next support, the only support actually that we have right now, is this $30,000 level. That breaks and we get a rejection, then we'll see Bitcoin test 30,000 again and then get down towards even as low as $20,000. And depending on the global events, maybe even lower than that. Now with this recent spike up, what am I looking for Bitcoin next? Well, as you can see right now, there is this trading range right here for Bitcoin as low as 28,000 all the way up towards 33,000. So there's no clear direction of an uptrend until we do break out of this range and start trading above. But we do see price is starting to build some sort of momentum right now. It crossed above the 20-day moving average here. Now we're heading up to test that 50-day moving average, which brings us to the top of that range. And what I'm looking for is, if we do get some type of close above this 20 moving average and $32,000 for Bitcoin, then I'm looking for a nice rally to bring us up towards the next resistance levels, up towards the high $30,000 levels, and then a rejection. And then that rejection will test this 30,000 support once again before we either see the rally continue or begin, or this bear market does continue downwards. If that's only if we do play out and Bitcoin's price action continues up. But if we even get a rejection in this current range that we're in right now, then the test of 30,000, I'm expecting that to break at this next test level. Since we did sit there for quite a few weeks, that'll break, and then we head down towards the mid $20,000 level. So if you're bullish on Bitcoin right now, you want the price to go up. What do you want it to do? You want it to have a daily close above 32,000 right here, and then you want it to test this 50-day moving average. Then you want it to get up to at least a daily close of 35,000. Then you can officially start seeing it trending and head up towards that 200-day moving average, which will be towards $40,000. Now, if you're bearish on Bitcoin, you want price to go down. What are you looking for? Then you want a rejection to come any day now, sometime this next week, towards 32,000, and then that would be where that rejection, depending on how much sell pressure it is, it sends Bitcoin down below $30,000. Now, in terms of an alt season, if you look at Ethereum against Bitcoin right now, it is testing a support 1, 2, 3. It's about 4 times it's tested its support level. So if we do see some type of bounce here, then we will see altcoins rally. But heads up, if this support that price has been testing now 4 times, this breaks and Ethereum against Bitcoins gets even lower, then we're going to see altcoins continue to bleed downwards and Bitcoin dominance continue to rise. I hope you enjoyed this analysis, and this just might be the last one. We will be producing other types of content right on the channel, so make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you again in the other videos. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.